Hello children, myself Divya Sharma from Shivjyoti Educational Group Kota. Today we will be having revision of chapter number 6, that is Greenland, the land of ice and snow. We will be covering the important topics which were there in the chapter through points to remember. We studied about the location and climate of Greenland. First of all, let me tell you, Greenland is the largest island in the world, okay? And we learned about that it is located in the frigid zone. About the climate of Greenland, as the Arctic Circle passes through the southern part of Greenland, that is why it is covered with snow. About 80% of the Greenland is covered with snow. So it has a very cold climate. Then we studied about its vegetation and wildlife. As it is totally covered with snow, so there is no vegetation, nothing can be grown on the ice covered areas of Greenland. Wildlife, only the animals which can bear the extreme cold climate in the Greenland, you will find those animals living over there, as your reindeer, muskox, polar bear, okay. Now then we learnt about its people and its agriculture and industry. People, the original inhabitants of Greenland are called Inuits. They live in temporary houses, okay, that they built from blocks of ice. These are called igloos. And about agriculture, if we talk, agriculture, fish processing is the important industry. And as the land is covered with snow and the southern part of Greenland, okay, southwestern part of Greenland is the warmest part, therefore you will find a little bit of vegetation over there. Example, vegetables such as potatoes are grown. About industry, fish processing is the major industry of Greenland, okay. So this was all about the revision of chapter number 6, the important topics which are covered in the chapter. Now I will discuss the internal questions, book work and the copy work. So your first exercise is fill in the blanks. First, the capital of Greenland is Nuuk, earlier called Gotham. Second, the frigid zone in which most of Greenland is situated is also called the tundra region. Third, huge pieces of ice floating in the sea are known as icebergs. Fourth, the original inhabitants of Greenland are Inuits, also called Eskimos. Fifth, igloos are temporary houses made of blocks of ice by the Inuit. Now exercise B, that is match the columns. First, Eric the Red gave the name Greenland. Second, Holstein Bog, Sisimiut. Third, Arctic Circle passes through Greenland. Fourth, southwestern coast, warmest part of Greenland. Fifth, kayaks, boats. Now let's move ahead with multiple choice questions. Okay, first, most of Greenland lies north of the Arctic Circle, between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle, between the equator and the Tropic of Cancer, north of the Antarctic Circle. The correct answer is A, that is north of the Arctic Circle. Second, the main occupation of the people of Greenland is farming, fishing and hunting, working in large factories producing cars, selling forest produce such as timber. The correct answer is B, fishing and hunting. Third, the clothes worn by people in Greenland are mostly made of cotton, silk, skin and fur or wool. Correct answer is C, skin and fur. Fourth one, the original inhabitants of Greenland were Europeans, Inuit, Americans, Indians. The correct answer is B, that is Inuit. Fifth, the population of Nuuk, the capital of Greenland, is closest to 15,000 approximate population of a big village in India, 1,50,000 approximate population of a hill station in India such as Shimla, 1,500,000 approximate population of a large town in India, example Coimbatore. 15 million approximate population of Delhi. The correct answer is A, 15,000. Now let's discuss internal questions. Question number 1. How much of Greenland is covered with ice? Answer 80%. Question 2. What are parkas? Answer men, women and children wear jackets with hood lined with fur called parkas. Question 3. Which is the major industry in Greenland? Answer fish processing. Let's start with the copywork, children. First, define the following. Kayak, a narrow boat that is moved with a single paddle. Second, tundra, a large flat area of frozen land lying around the North Pole, that is the tundra region. Answer the following questions. Question 1. What kind of climate does Greenland have? Answer. Most of Greenland lies in frigid zone. Therefore, Greenland has a very cold climate. And as you all are aware that in the frigid zone, it is very cold over there, and Greenland, 80% of Greenland is covered with ice. Second question. What are icebergs? In what ways are they dangerous? Answer. Huge pieces of ice floating in the sea are known as icebergs. They are dangerous because they are actually much larger than they seem, which pose great danger to ships in the sea. Now icebergs above the sea, they appear to us very small, but they are pretty much very deep inside the sea, and they are very dangerous to the ships. Question number 3. Describe the wildlife of Greenland. Answer. Animals that can survive in the extreme cold are found in Greenland. Polar bear, wolf, musk ox, Arctic fox, seal, reindeer and seabirds are found there. Now animals which can bear the extreme cold climatic conditions are found in Greenland. Question 4. What is the main occupation of Inuit? Answer. The main occupation of Inuit are fishing and hunting. Question 5. What kind of clothes do most people in Greenland wear? Answer. The people wear clothes made of animal skin and fur. They wear jackets with hoods lined with fur and long boots made of seal skin. Okay, as it is quite cold in Greenland, so people wear jackets which have hoods, and these jackets are lined with fur to keep them warm. Okay, question 6. How have modern facilities changed the lives of the Inuit? Answer. The Inuit now lead a settled life. They have fast motorized sledges for transport and use motor boats for fishing. Now due to modern facilities, the lives of the Inuits have changed. Now they use fast motorized sledges for fishing, motor boats for fishing and sledges for transport. Children, this was all your copy work of the chapter. Do give a read to the chapter again and do your work very neatly. Thank you.